In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for meeting agendas with Dashboard Doc or tasks. By the end, you'll have a reusable meeting flow where your agenda, notes, and action items are organized in one place and easy to review before, during, and after every meeting. First, open your ClickUp account and make sure you're in the workspace where you want this system to live. In the left sidebar, hover over the specific space you want to use for your meetings. When you see the three dots menu appear next to that space, click it to open more options. From the menu, choose Templates. This is where we'll pull in a ready-made structure so you don't have to build everything from scratch. In the search bar at the top, type Team Meeting. You'll see options for meeting templates that typically include a meeting doc, agenda tasks, and helpful checklists. Select the one that fits your team best. When prompted to give it a name, enter something clear and recognizable. I'll write Team Meeting Management so everyone knows what it's for. Click Use Template and wait patiently while ClickUp adds it to your space. You'll see a short loading sequence. Don't click away. Once it's finished, your meeting framework will be added with the lists, docs, or tasks that come with the template. Next, let's create a dashboard to bring your agenda and notes into one command center. Click Create, then select Dashboard. ClickUp will ask you to choose a starting point. I'll select Task Management because it gives a practical layout for agenda items, action items, and follow-ups. If you already know your team's preferred layout, you can adjust it later, but this is a solid starting place. Now choose your data source. This step tells the dashboard where to pull information from. Select the template you created earlier so the widgets reflect your meeting lists, tasks, and any related docs. With the data source set, click Create Dashboard. Give it a moment to build. When the dashboard opens, rename it so it's easy to spot in your sidebar. Something like Team Meeting works well. That way, when it's time to meet, you can jump straight here. Your agenda tasks, notes doc, and action items will be visible in one view, helping you run a focused meeting, capture decisions, and track follow-ups without switching tabs. If you don't immediately see your items, confirm you selected the correct space or list as the data source. That's it. You've set up a streamlined meeting system in ClickUp using a template and a dashboard ready for every team meeting.